apologize if you hear background noises. I just really wanted to make this video because Nasdaq taken out has made some significant moves today. Uh, and yeah, like crazy that like Nvidia crashed almost 9%, 8.5%. Um, I also just wanted to document like studying the narrative on Nasdaq right now because it is pretty significant. Um, my stance right now on Nasdaq is I'm pretty bullish despite the bearish sentiment on social media and everywhere else. Because I don't think Nasdaq will go any lower than this anymore. It won't take out this low. It can go a little bit lower, maybe to go to this daily fair value gap maybe, but overall, on the intermediate perspective, I am bullish. Actually, like I feel like we can go. Not I can feel. I can. I see us going to all-time highs, like starting, like right about now, or like starting next week on Monday. Because Friday we could go down to this daily fair value gap here, and but I am not thinking Nasdaq will go take out this low because it has already taken out external liquidity here. Yeah, and as for these highs, the all-time highs, this is external liquidity and price. When you study the narrative on price action, you'll come to realize that price always takes out um, int, uh, internal liquidity and then external liquidity. And to as these highs, this is the internal liquidity. Internal liquidity here taken out, then external liquidity. And as for these lows, this is external liquidity and this is internal liquidity. So when we took out these highs, I was pretty bearish. I think I did post like a YouTube short um, that I was pretty bearish, that like I wanted to see like price like come down like really fast, like all the way to these lows. But I haven't been making like any shorts or anything like that because like of school, and I can only just watch afar from the markets. But now, like I'm pretty confident that that we will make that we will go higher now, like make like all-time highs, like starting now, like we could like range for a bit, but like I'm seeing price coming up back up, but I think just a little bit lower, maybe to this daily fair value gap, and yeah, make these all-time highs. And again, I just want to point out when we took out these highs, right? This was internal liquidity to the external liquidity to these lows, and the all-time high, the perspective on this is external liquidity, and this is internal liquidity. So again, price will usually take out internal liquidity and then external liquidity, depending on the narrative. So again, we took out these highs, right? This was internal liquidity, and this is external liquidity from these highs. I know this is like all hindsight, but my foresight right now is that we taken out internal liquidity to this external liquidity. So, by the way, this is not financial advice, but I just wanted to document this and see if I'm gonna be right on this, because everyone else thinks in the Discord, yo, you're delusional, yo, you're crazy, like OMG, what are you talking about? We're bearish, like look at this. But you always go against the crowd, right? Like what Warren Buffett said, if they're fearful, then you buy. If they're greedy, then you sell. Basically, kind of thing. And everyone is fearful right now. So yeah, I'm bullish. Okay, thank you guys for, uh, you know what I'm saying. All right, yeah, not financial advice, guys.